Whenever a new Samsung Galaxy flagship is unveiled, tech experts subject it to a series of grueling tests, and one of the toughest of these is the drop test. Dropping smartphones is never a good idea, even though some brands claim they can withstand it. In a recent test of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, despite its new Gorilla Glass armor and flatter display, it suffered damage after just one drop onto concrete from hip height. This result aligns with previous drop tests on Samsung flagships, highlighting the fragility of smartphone screens. While the titanium frame adds durability, it's not invulnerable. However, the Gorilla Glass armor does excel in resisting scratches, a promising feature. On a brighter note, the S24 Ultra screen has impressed users with its anti-reflective properties, significantly reducing glare and reflections. Early indications also suggest improved battery life, lasting an entire day with ease. In summary, while the S24 Ultra offers some improvements, it might not be a necessary upgrade for S23 Ultra owners. However, those seeking better performance and a more efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor may find it appealing. Overall, it's an incremental update with some noteworthy enhancements.